Hello, everyone. This is Jeff Heaton with Washington University. This is week 7, February 25th, 2018, for my Applications of Deep Neural Networks class. So for this, we won't be meeting this week, but we will be meeting next week, March 5th, 2018. And when we come back, we will discuss the Kaggle project. Now, the Kaggle project, you can find it already, a link to it, in the next week's class notes. It is open now, so you can take a look at it. I know some of you are working ahead. 2 of you are actually done with all of the assignments up through 10. So if you're looking to stay ahead, the Kaggle is now there for you to take a look at. But I will talk more about that project when we meet next week. Now, the assignment 6 is due tomorrow, Monday, at midnight. So quite a few of you have already submitted that, but make sure that you get that in by midnight so that you get full points on that. There have been a couple of questions about that particular homework assignment. So if you want to, go ahead, if you haven't finished it already, go ahead and look in Piazza. You'll see some of the questions that have been asked there, which I have answered. Some of the questions in general have been about the training stopping too soon. So if you adjust your patience variable, you can fix that. Some of you have been getting a error on the out of sample Y that when you try to append to it, you get an error. Most likely, I'm thinking that's because you did the np.concat too soon. You probably did it as part of the loop, because once you do numpy.concat, it switches from a list to a ND array, and you can't append to an ND array. So that is likely that. Also had a question about how to convert a string to a float for training. There is a way to convert a string to a float in Pandas. You can simply Google that and find it. But most likely, if you're getting the error on the 2xy about a string being there, that usually means that you forgot to convert one of the categoricals into dummy variables. So just take a look at that. There was also a question about how do you so if you get a prediction for a category where maybe you have 5, so you're going to 5 categories, so you're going to get 5 different probabilities. How do you convert that into a single number? Well, the single number is which of those 5 had the highest probability. You use argmax for that. You can also use that to convert your dummy variables, which will be 1 and the rest zeros. You can also use that to convert it back to a numeric index. So just search the code for argmax and you'll see something related to that if you're running into that. All right, that is all I have for this week. The next update is going to, or the next class session will be on March 5th, 2018. So I won't have a weekly update because we'll all see each other in class, and I will post the recording of that. That's all for now. I will see everybody next week. Talk to you later.